We all know our phones are listening, right? But most of us just shrug it off, thinking, hey, what's the worst that can happen? I just get better ads. That's where we miss the point entirely. Data isn't being collected just to sell you a product. It's being collected for something far bigger. Your data isn't just valuable. It's the new gold standard, the singular, irreplaceable resource that fuels the most powerful engine in human history, artificial general intelligence, AGI. Every scroll, every purchase, every little pause, even what time you wake up. When pieces together, this data gives AI the power to know you better than you know yourself, and, critically, to start designing your future for you. We used to call data the new oil, but that's an outdated term. Oil runs out. Data keeps flowing as long as you live, and sometimes, even after you've passed. The reason this data is so priceless is that it's the only thing that allows AGI to achieve true intelligence. AI needs to see how millions of humans react to stress, how they follow narratives and what triggers their spending habits. Our mundane, day-to-day lives, the time we drink coffee, why we quickly scroll past a news story, become the AGI's lesson plan. We've become the unpaid teachers of the most powerful system ever built. By providing this constant stream of high-value intellectual labor, we are essentially performing digital slave labor for the few techno-oligarchs who own the algorithms. The real power isn't in knowing your past, it's in the prediction economy. Knowing your history allows AI to predict what you'll buy next or who you'll vote for. But the end goal isn't just prediction, it's engineering human behavior. By mapping your psychological triggers, AI can perfectly tailor external stimuli, ads, social media narratives, search results, to nudge you toward a desired action, financial compliance, consumer conformity, or political apathy. This ability to guarantee a specific mass outcome is worth more than any physical gold in the world. It's the capability to run society like a perfectly optimized, predictable machine. Think about all those free services we use. Search engines, social media, the smart speaker in the kitchen. They are not tools. They are continuous, customized data extraction devices that create the surveillance loop. They are the real price we pay for convenience. Even when you're just sitting quietly, your data is still active. Your micro-movements, the background conversations in your home, the emotional inflection in your voice captured by your microphone, all of it is being used to refine the AI's understanding of human authenticity and weakness. This is the hidden cost of convenience. Absolute, customized control over your digital life. The integration of all this personal data into the compliance score system is the ultimate monetization of your digital life. Your data dictates your behavior, and your behavior dictates your access to society. If the AI detects non-compliant sentiment, maybe a search query for unapproved information or a shift in tone when discussing politics, your score drops instantly, potentially restricting your access to banking or mobility. Data loyalty is ruthlessly enforced because every click you generate is a metric used to evaluate your submission. Your identity is quite literally being graded based on the data you unwillingly provide. Your data is absolutely worth its weight in gold. But that gold is being used to build a cage around your autonomy. To fight back, we have to move our behavior from passive acceptance to conscious resistance. We must embrace encrypted, open source, and decentralized systems that refuse to monetize our privacy. We need to start treating our personal data as the most valuable asset we possess. Not something to be carelessly given away, but something to be fiercely protected. Reclaiming the value of your data is the fundamental, essential first step in dismantling the control system that seeks to engineer the end of human free will.